Hello friends, online lecture of Object-Oriented Programming, S&D College of Engineering and Research Center, Yeola. Myself, Professor Saukar Dhanashree, Department of Computer. Topic will be Object-Oriented Programming. Unit number 1, Fundamental of Object-Oriented Programming. Topic will be multiple inheritance. C++ allows you to inherit from multiple base classes. Class calculator watch public calculator watch works best if exactly one base class passes ISA test. All other base classes are interface. Advanced feature that you will not need in this course. Next topic is polymorphism. Polymorphism is the ability to assume different forms. One object acts like many different types of objects. Getting the right behavior without knowing the types manipulate object with a common set of operations. First, run time and compile time. Next topic, error handling in C. The error handling is half code is error handling. Dangerous, easy for programmer to forget. To check return value. Exception is constant. Error handling in try-catch block safer separate real code from error handling. Templates define a class or functions one to work with a variety of types. Types may be known until the better type checking and faster specialization can be used to reduce code load. Templates support generic programming. Next topic, generic programming. Drawback of Qsort in std library require a compare function even if travel loss efficiency because dereferencing pointer loss type safety avoid work only contiguous array no control over construction destruction assignment all swapping done by row value moves. Next, standard template library container sequence vector array in contiguous memory list doubly linked list insert delete D queue the double-ended queue stack queue priority queue associative map Dictionary balanced tree of pairs like array with non-integer indices. Set map with value ignored. Multi-map and multi-set. Other string basis not necessarily contiguous. Array vector of numeric consumption bit set of number of bits. Next topic is allocators. STL written for maximum flexibility. Each container has an allocator. Allocator is responsible for memory management, new and delete. Advice: ignore allocators. Streams: C flush, F printf, C canf, S print, S scanf, F get S and get C. C++, C out, Cn and C error. Numerics: array, matrix and vector, a slice and slices, complex written numbers. Thank you friends for watching this video.